Good afternoon. This is Liz with The Refreshing Point, and today I will be sharing with you a recipe for ginger and turmeric iced tea that will give your health that well-needed boost. Drinking ginger turmeric iced tea can boost your immune system and help to improve your body's response to infections. A study reported that in many countries, ginger is used as a natural ingredient to stimulate the immune system. Likewise, curcumin activates the body's immune response and can help prevent various diseases and infections by boosting and strengthening the immune system naturally. Lemon contains powerful antioxidants and is rich in vitamin C. It is also very beneficial to balancing the pH of the human body. Combining all three of these ingredients will provide a much-needed boost to your immune system. If you need to sweeten this drink up, you can add some honey. It acts as a medium for transmitting the benefits of the ginger and turmeric to the body. Honey may also boost the body's immune system by aiding in the production of white blood cells. When using turmeric on a daily basis, it will also help prevent cancer, boost brain function, protect your liver, and aid in weight loss. On the other hand, ginger can improve your health naturally by reducing joint pain, preventing cancer, eliminating toxins, and regulating your internal body temperature. Finally, lemons neutralize the activity of free radicals in the body, plus reduce inflammation and swelling. By using the herbs in this combination makes the nutrients in them more readily accessible for use in the body's system. So why not give your immune system that much needed boost? Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.